The rails, a global and an unbiased perspective. Networks of Japan to the bustling carriages of India. Passenger issues persist. इस समय से 20 सेकंड पहले ही निकल चुकी थी। इंसिडेंट इंडिया में होता तो हमें अपोलॉजी मिलती, उनका कोई साइन नहीं दिख रहा है।
Cheetah, this is
हम अकेले हैं।
On this third party application, and now the time is for review. The second point is cleanliness. The third will give it 2 out of 5. No email, no SMS, neither the public apology for the delay. Riding the rails, a global and an unbiased perspective. Trains are the circulatory system of our world. They connect distant cities, transport millions, and fuel economies. A nation's train reflect its values. They also reveal its challenges. From the high-speed networks of Japan to the bustling carriages of India, train travel offers a window into the heart of a nation. Yet, despite technological advancements and increasing demands, passenger issues persist. These issues, ranging from minor inconvenience to major disruptions, highlight the complexities of managing vast transportation networks. Understanding these challenges is crucial for improving the passenger experience and ensuring the continued success of rail travel. रिसेंटली ऐसा ही एक इंसिडेंट सामने आया जहां पे जापान में एक ट्रेन अपने निर्धारित समय से 30 सेकंड पहले ही निकल चुकी थी। हालांकि जब ट्रेन कंपनी को इसके बारे में पता चला तो उन्होंने एक सीरियस अपोलॉजी इशू की और बताया कि यह गलती हुई क्योंकि हमारे पायलट ने टाइम टेबल सही से नहीं देखा। When this apology started making headlines, इंडिया में बहुत सारे लोगों को सरप्राइज। तो आज हम इस वीडियो में यही देखेंगे, अगर ये इंसिडेंट इंडिया में होता तो हमें अपोलॉजी मिलती, हमें इसके पीछे क्या रीज़न है इसका पता चलता। चलिए आज देखेंगे इस वीडियो में। अब हम आ चुके हैं उदगी रेलवे स्टेशन। यहाँ से हम जाएंगे विकाराबाद, जो कि है लगभग 150 किलोमीटर।
Gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time.
हम जाएंगे यशवंतपुर एक्सप्रेस, जो कि स्टार्ट होती है लातूर से लगभग 3:35 पर और वो यहाँ पे आएगी लगभग 4:50। तो करते हैं आप ट्रेन का इंतज़ार।
Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying.
अब टाइम हो रहा है शाम के 5 बजे, फिर भी ट्रेन के अराइवल का कोई साइन नहीं दिख रहा है।
Quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
The time is now 5:30 PM and still there is no sign of train arrival. जब छोटे बच्चे साथ में होते हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ता है। सो वी स्टार्टेड लुकिंग एट द एनिमल्स विच वर पेंटेड ऑन द वॉल्स ऑफ द स्टेशन।
monkey. That is giraffe or zebra? That is where is gorilla? No, this is cheetah. This is what is after lion? What is this after lion?
Finally, the train has arrived and the time is now 5:41 and the train is late by 15 minutes approximately.
shine, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty.
The next stop is Kamalnagar. Finally the train has started from Kamalnagar. और ये देखो हमारे जीजा जी जो आए थे ड्राई फ्रूट्स देने.
Now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me.
तो गाइस फाइनली हम निकल चुके हैं बीदर से. अब टाइम हो रहा है 7:24, जो कि लगभग ये ट्रेन अब चल रही है 1 घंटा 9 मिनट देरी से. एंड आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज एक्सेप्टेबल.
Go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need is some better days.
Finally, the train has departed from Vikarabad Junction. The time is now 9:57 PM and the train is late by approximately 2 hours. But the third party application which I have in my phone is showing the train has departed at 8:40, which is totally incorrect, and that is why you can't rely on this third party application for your travel planning. If you miss your train, nobody gonna take the responsibility. That is why you always have to come to the station on time. The travel has been completed and now the time is for review. I will review the train journey based on 4 points. The first point, of course, safety. The second point is cleanliness. The third point is punctuality. And the fourth point is cost. So let's begin with safety. Throughout the journey, I didn't feel anything that is risking my safety. Little bit shakes were there, but I think that is how Indian trains work. So I will give 3 ratings to the safety. Coming to the cleanliness, of course this is a very short journey, but I felt the train was completely clean throughout my journey. so I will give it 4 out of 5. To punctuality, my journey was very short, around 4 hours maximum, but the train was already late by 2 hours, so I will give it 2 out of 5. And cost, of course, the trains are very cost effective, so I will give it 4 out of 5. It's 15 days since the travel has been completed. There is no email, no SMS, neither the public apology for the delay of 2 hours, and I think it is too early to expect the same kind of treatment as in Japan in India. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, like, comment and subscribe to Byte Paradise.